coming before the court, or will be here soon, I understand. Mr. Romero, I got your ad hoc appearance, and I know that you are appearing on behalf as a local lawyer, so we'll give you credit for that. I also will say for the record that I just received here moments ago a 2-page affidavit signed by investigators Galbraith and Osteen to stand for probable cause for the filing of an information in this matter. So you want him to appear, do you not?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. He is present.
I didn't recognize him next to you there. All right. Mr. Zimmerman,
yes, sir.
You're appearing here for your first appearance at this time for charge of murder in the second degree, and you are represented by Mr. Romero. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Remember your right to remain silent. All the other rights that he has told you about, you have to say nothing, and we'll go forward here on some procedural matters only at this time. After reviewing the short affidavit for probable cause, I do find that probable cause for the charge as put in the information. Now, seeing that there's an information that was filed as of yesterday at 4 p.m., all other matters at this point will be handled by the circuit court under the felony case number. That includes the any further motions, bond hearings, anything like that. Now we'll go forward. All I can do is tell you at this time is that you will be set for formal arraignment with Judge Rexeiler on, or not before, but on May the 29th, 1:30, courtroom 1A. And Mr. Romero, of course, will be in for that. There's no need to appoint other counsel. I show that he has good and adequate counsel. He's well represented at this stage, and that date will hold. That is the right date, right, Madam Clerk? Let's get that straight. Yep. May 29th, 1:30 is his next official court date at this time. All other matters, therefore, will be taken up with the circuit court at the courthouse. Mr. Romero, agree?
I agree, Your Honor.
Very good. State, anything else?
No, sir. Thank you very much.
On that finding, this hearing at first appearances is concluded.
Thank you for your time, Your Honor, and consideration.
Y'all take your time, and I know you got to make arrangements for everybody, and then we'll get the rest of the group in there, and we'll take a short break, okay?
Thank you.
Yes. We're going to go ahead and... Mr. Romero?
Yes, sir.
And state, while I got you, one other matter. This fax copy, do you want this as the file copy, or do you want to come over and file the original?
You're speaking of my notice of appearance?
No, the actual affidavit.
Oh.
It's fine with a file copy.
It's fine with the file copy,
Thank you very
Your Honor.
much, Your Honor.
We'll put it in there. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
You still want to speak to your client?
No. Yes.
It's open. Public view now.
What about the ceiling?
That's just a problem.
Very good.
No.
He wanted to bring it up.
Your Honor, if I might.
Okay.
There's always one more thing. You have my history. I have a real concern that I would like you to address at least on an interim basis. There is a certain amount of information in the court file necessary because of the filing of the information and also because of some of the probable cause information. And that includes personal information about some witnesses, some witness statements, some addresses, telephone numbers. There even, I believe, though I haven't reviewed the court file, maybe some information specific to Trayvon Martin, a juvenile. And the concern is, with the focus this case has gotten to date, that there are going to be and already have been requests to get that information. So I am seeking on my client's behalf, and just in the interest of justice on a temporary basis, that we do a complete sealing of that record, that no one have access to it except for the court, the appropriate court, and court personnel, and of course the attorneys involved. I'm very concerned that it gets...
Let's take one step at a time.
Sorry.
The probable cause affidavit, the 2-page plus the jurat that came over today on the fax, I would be of the mindset to make that public because there's nothing in there other than what court's already read and seen.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, but anything else so far, what you've mentioned, has not been filed yet to the clerk's knowledge. So
and that's correct.
If you want to do it so from now on, and the state agrees, is that?
We're in agreement with that from now on. That's fine, Your Honor.
Because my understanding...
Stipulation, I don't have to order it. The two of you have agreed, and we'll put that in the minutes today. So from here on out, now it has to be with a hearing with Judge Rexide. Okay?
And real quickly, I know you're very busy. My concern is that there is actually information flowing to the court file right now so that it may get there within moments. And two, I would truly ask, rather than just sitting on the stipulation, that you enter an order on our stipulation. It will carry the weight of a court order because it may be attacked or assailed.
Remember, Mr. O'Mara, local practice, our minutes has done and ordered language on it, I believe.
Great.
Yes, so it would have the weight of an order.
That's what I wanted. Thanks for the time.
Now, anything that I've done here, remember, is always reviewable and can be changed by the trial judge who is now assigned as of this moment in this case. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thanks again for the time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Stacy.
you so much.
Good to meet everyone.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll take a short recess, and we'll allow jail personnel to get the rest of the defendants